Hello, YouTube. It's me, Steve, and Austin here.
You, Steve and Austin?
Just shush. Anyway, we're here at Subway, and we had this great idea where we go into Subway,
sit down,
and we call Jimmy John's, and apparently Jimmy John's will deliver anywhere. So
we're testing that theory.
We're testing that theory by going to one of their biggest opponents, Subway,
and making them deliver us.
Sorry, whoever delivers the sandwich, sorry for the walk of shame. We still love you.
Okay, so how are we gonna do this?
We're gonna call Jimmy John's.
Okay, hang on.
Are you on the side of Excelsior, like closest to our store? Because we don't cross Excelsior.
Actually, I'll just call you back with the address. I actually don't know.
Alright.
Okay, cool.
Sorry, my spelling.
Hi, okay, so I just called like 2 minutes ago.
Yeah.
We are at 1152. 1152.
And what's your name?
My name is Austin. What was that?
What was your name again?
Austin.
Aston?
Austin. A-U-S-T-I-N.
U.S.?
Yep.
Alright, and what would you like? And would you like to pay cash or credit?
I'm doing cash.
Alright, I'll be right there.
Alright, thanks. Okay, so we gotta go. Okay, so that's him. He's coming.
No.
Hi.
You going? Okay.
Yeah, just a little bit. How much? What was the total? $5.60. Can I get 3 back? It's kind of weird. I would imagine you came here for the cookies, but you have better subs. Have a good one.
Yeah, you too. Thanks for the sandwich.
Oh, that was so awkward. The walk of shame. He's running. He's running to get out of here. Oh, he's ran. He actually ran.
You know, I said, he's like, is this for you? And I was out there, I was like, no.
Oh, he literally ran out of this joint. He was like, screw this.
Is that him?
Yeah, that's him.
Okay, that was fast.
I know, he ran.
Wait, is he looking over here?
Oh, that was brilliant. He was like, well, this is kind of weird. I was like, I would imagine.
I think he's looking over here.
That was great.
Hi. That must have been awkward.
What's up?
That must have been awkward.
Is this the last delivery?
Yes, I think so.
Yeah, at Subway.
Yeah.
Yeah, what's up?
Yeah, what's up?
What was that?
What's up?
How much were you calling back?
We just wanted to say thanks for the sandwich, man.
Oh, cool.
It was delicious. Great delivery service, and I'm glad
We
how
actually don't deliver over there though, but
you don't get many.
it's like right across Excelsior. It's like not far at all, but so it's whatever.
Yeah.
A little busy.
Okay.
But seriously, what is that thing?
One thing.
What?
Yellowish weird thing.
What?
That yellow weird thing right there.
the thing sticking out of the ground?
No, like on the building.
What? I don't see what you're talking about. I'm sorry.
Ah! You got.
That was funny. You got me. You got me.